Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tuba. If you are someone who's struggling with excessive weight and have spent hours surfing the internet to find out ways to get rid of it, then you must have definitely come across the word metabolism. My sister, who has gained a bit of a weight in the past few months, often gives this excuse that she has a sluggish metabolism. I know many of you must be guilty of doing the same, right? आप भी ये सोचते होंगे कि मेरा वज़न ज़्यादा होने की सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये वजह है कि मेरा मेटाबॉलिज्म बहुत स्लो है. But the question we need to ask is that, is metabolism really responsible for it? In today's video, I'm going to tell you all about metabolism, how it is related to calories, and also clear up some myths surrounding this word. आज की वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगी मेटाबॉलिज्म के बारे में और ये भी बताऊंगी कि कैसे रिलेटेड है कैलोरीज से. So let's get started. So scientifically, metabolism is a chemical reaction occurring in living cells that converts calories that we consume into usable energy. Now, we know that to perform any physical task, we require energy. For example, if we want to lift a box and move it from one place to another, we require energy. In the same way, our cells in our body requires energy to do even the smallest of the tasks. This is where metabolism comes into play. It is known to all of us that we gain energy from the food we eat. But how does it happen? I'll tell you. Metabolism breaks down the food that we consume with the help of oxygen and releases energy. जैसे कि अगर हम कुछ खाते हैं तो अगर हम उसमें से प्रोटीन मिलता है तो मेटाबॉलिज्म की मदद से वो सिंपलर फॉर्म्स में टूटता है जिसको अमीनो एसिड्स कहते हैं. उसी तरह कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स सिंपल शुगर में टूटता है और फैट्स या लिपिड्स फैटी एसिड्स में टूटता है और इस सारे प्रोसेस में एनर्जी रिलीज होती है. The energy that is released in the entire process is used by our body for growing new cells or maintaining the tissues and basically maintaining the entire body function. इस पूरे process में जहाँ energy release होती है और हमारी body उसको use करती है वहीं कुछ waste material भी release होता है जो हमारी body बाहर निकाल देती है. Metabolism also helps us to get rid of nitrogenous waste like urea, uric acid, ammonia and others. So now that we have understood what metabolism is and what role it performs, let's talk about the relationship between metabolism and calories. तो हम अक्सर किसी मोटे इंसान को देखकर कहते हैं कि इसका मेटाबॉलिज्म तो बहुत स्लो है इसलिए इसका वेट इतना ज़्यादा है. वहीं किसी दुबले इंसान को देखकर कहते हैं कि इसका मेटाबॉलिज्म बहुत फास्ट है इसलिए इसका वेट इतना कम है. So whenever we talk about our metabolism being fast or slow, we are actually talking about our basal metabolic rate, commonly known as BMR. क्या आपको पता है कि जब हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे होते हैं बस आंख बंद करके लेटे हुए होते हैं तभी भी हमारी बॉडी कैलोरीज बर्न कर रही होती है. That's because while on the outside we might not be doing anything, but internally a lot is going on in our body. Our body burns calories to get the energy it needs to perform even the internal functions like breathing, circulation of blood, digestion, formation of new cells, basically to perform the functions that keeps us alive. The rate at which our body burns calories to perform these internal functions is known as BMR, basal metabolic rate. अब जितनी भी एनर्जी हमारी बॉडी प्रोड्यूस करती है उसका 60 to 70% बेसल मेटाबॉलिज्म में यूज़ होता है. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि मेटाबॉलिज्म का सबसे बड़ा कंपोनेंट बेसल मेटाबॉलिज्म होता है. Now, BMR remains pretty constant. However, it is regulated by several factors. कुछ फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो BMR को रेगुलेट करते हैं जैसे कि पहला बॉडी वेट एंड बॉडी कॉम्पोजिशन. It might be surprising, but research actually shows that people who weigh more have higher BMR than thinner people. Large body requires more energy to perform their basic functions. बहुत सारे केसेस में मोटे होने की ये वजह नहीं होती है कि हमारा मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो है बल्कि ये वजह होती है कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा खा रहे हैं या ज़्यादा कैलोरीज कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं और उतना बर्न नहीं कर रहे हैं. More often than not, the reason of you being overweight is not your slow metabolism, but it's that you're consuming more calories than you are burning in a day. Also, people who have more muscles burn more calories than just the fatty ones. That's because muscle tissues are more metabolically active than fat tissues and it requires more energy to maintain them. सेकेंड, एज भी एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर होता है जो हमारे मेटाबॉलिज्म को इफ़ेक्ट करता है. जैसे जैसे हमारी उम्र बढ़ती है वैसे वैसे बॉडी में फ़ैट की मात्रा बढ़ती है और मसल्स की मात्रा कम होने लगती है तो हमारा BMR भी कम होने लगता है. As we age, our fat to muscles ratio increases, which causes a decrease in our BMR. Metabolism is higher at a younger age when our body is still growing and developing because more energy is required in those processes. And also when we are young, we are very active and we have a higher muscles to fat ratio. Third, gender. It is very clear that male have more muscle mass than female of the same height, weight and age. So they have a higher metabolic rate. चौथा, hormones. Hormones का भी एक major role होता है metabolism को regulate करने में. Hormones play a major role in regulating metabolism. The major hormones involved are estrogen, testosterone, cortisol, TSH, insulin and many more. Hormonal imbalance can really hamper the metabolic rate. As I've told earlier that our BMR is not easily altered. It's not like we can easily increase or decrease our BMR. While there are some foods, drinks or spices that are said to rev up our metabolism, but the change is not groundbreaking. But what we can actually do is to increase the amount of calories that we burn per day. And fortunately, there are several factors that determines how much calorie that we burn in a day. Number 1, physical activity or exercise. We all know that exercise and physical activity increases the amount of calorie burning in our body. Getting into the habit of exercising is great for your metabolism. You can choose the form of exercise like running, walking, cardio or weight training depending upon your goal, but getting into the habit of doing it is a must. आपको कितना और कौन सा एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए ये आपके बॉडी टाइप पे डिपेंड करता है और इस पे डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कितना वेट लूज या गेन करना है. If you want me to do a video on that, then do let me know in the comment section below. दूसरा, कैलोरी इनटेक. एक्सरसाइज के साथ साथ ये भी बहुत मैटर करता है कि आप कितना कैलोरी ले रहे हैं. If you want to lose weight, you have to eat less and burn more. For example, if you are burning 2000 calories, you have to make sure to at least consume 500 calories less than that to lose weight. And for weight gain is the exact opposite. You have to make sure to consume 500 more calories than that. Third, diet. Not only the number of calories matter, but also the source from where you're getting it is really important. आप अपना कैलोरी पूरा कर सकते हैं बर्गर, पिज़्ज़ा और जंक फूड्स खा के, बट इससे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा और आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म और स्लो होगा और आपका वेट और बढ़ेगा. आपको एक बैलेंस डाइट खाना है जिसमें एक अच्छे अमाउंट में प्रोटीन हो, कार्ब्स हो, healthy fat ho, vitamins and minerals ho, and don't forget water. I have done a video on the importance of water, so check that video out. The link to it will be in the description box below and also on the card above. Eat more proteins like eggs, chicken, fish, soya, paneer, lentils, milks, and also add green leafy vegetables to your diet and fruits and a handful of nuts for that healthy fat. And also don't forget spices, which plays a major role in your metabolism, and this will really help to improve it and reach your weight goal. So guys, I'm sure that it's clear by now that drinking some metabolism boosting drinks or popping on supplements that promises to boost your metabolism and to think that you are sorted is not the right way to go, but rather shift your focus on improving your diet and getting into the habit of exercising is what you want to do to get good results. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also leave your thoughts in the comment section below and let me know what other videos you want me to do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you may be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.